So welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to go through a new project launched recently on the 1st of March. So I'm going to walk you through how to earn from this project. The name of this project is Brimate. So in this video I'm going to show how to register, get your coupon code, and also withdraw from the platform, and also how to earn from this platform, guys. So it's very easy for you to start earning on this Brimate. It's a new project, so business opportunity you don't want to miss, because this project is for everyone. If you're an individual trying to make money, advertisers, influencers, this business is also for you. You can make money right from your bed, though, guys. So you don't even need to spend 5 minutes, 1 minute on this platform, and you can just come here every day, spend like 20 seconds, do the task, and you are done. So you earn for yourself, guys. So how to register? So to get your coupon code, you message me with the number showing on your screen right now. So message me with the number on WhatsApp. I'm going to give you a coupon code. Your tuition fee is just 3,000 naira, one-time payment of 3,000 naira. 3,000 naira. So once you message me on WhatsApp, I'm going to give you a coupon code and link to register, guys. So for once you have gotten the coupon code and link, you're going to go to the sign up page, which let me just quickly show you how the sign up page like. So it's going to reach like this. Once you click my link, it's going to show you, ask you to put your username. It's going to ask you to put your username, email, enter your phone number, then your referral username, that will be my name, Mkay. That's where I'm going to be saying it. Then the coupon code that you bought. Let me just quickly underline this section for you so you understand it better. So let me just quickly use my tool to underline it for you guys. So the coupon code you bought, this is where you're going to put it. This is where you're going to put it. This is where you're going to put in your coupon code, which is the 3,000 naira you are paying for. That's what you're going to get from the coupon code. You put it here, then you put your password, then you click on sign up. Although I've already gotten my account, I'm going to log into my account, then I'll show you how my dashboard is. So let me just quickly log into my account. So this is I'm going to put my username, password, then you can see it there, Mkay. Then I click on sign in. So it redirects me to my account, guys. So this is how to do it. So once you log in, you'll be given 1.5 as your welcome bonus. So you can see it right here. This is what I have, and so far since the launch, you can see it right here, 1.5 as a welcome bonus. So if you decide to refer, you also get commission of 2,000 naira, and your sponsor ads will be 300, and once you log out and log in, you earn 200. So altogether what you'll be earning in a day is 500 naira, guys. So for you to get started on this platform, you can see the number showing on your screen. Message me and get your coupon code and start making money with this project, guys. This project it's a long-term project and it's new, so this is a great time to join this kind of platform and maximize your potential. So let me show you how to set up your account so that you will know how to share your sponsor posts and also earn. So you click on these 3 dots right here. You click at this 3 horizontal line right here. So you click on it, this 3 horizontal line right here. So once you click on it, it's going to so once you click on it, it's going to take you to this section. You see this kind of options right here. So you have to click on account settings, because you need to set up your account before you can start sharing this sponsor post. So you click on account settings, it's going to provide you with different options again. So you click on profile, click on your profile. So it's going to just take you straight to your profile. If you want to put your full name or change any of these things right here, so you can also change it. So if you want to change your profile picture, you can also change it. Then you have to click on social. That's one thing you must do. You must click on social, so that you have to put all your link your social account to this platform, so that you can be sharing their sponsor posts either on Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter, any of them, guys. So if you don't have Facebook, you can use Twitter. If you don't have Twitter, you use Instagram. If you don't have Instagram, you use your WhatsApp number. So that's what I'm using. I'm using my WhatsApp number. So I just put my WhatsApp number here. So it's very easy. Once you're doing, click on save changes. So after putting your details, after putting your Facebook or any of these things, you have to come back to this bank section. You have to set your bank details for your withdrawals, guys. So you click on bank. I've already set up my account already, but let me just show you how to do that, because it's very easy for you to start. So what you have to do is to select your bank. They have all the banks that support all the banks in Nigeria. As you can see, you can scroll. If you're the kind of type that use third parties bank like Kuda, OPay, Pick, or Pampay, you can also use it in this platform to withdraw. You can see Kuda right here, Pampay, Paycom, Payga, and all that. So you can use any of these banks to withdraw, guys. So, and it's very fast. So once you have done that, you put your account number, you put your account name, then click on save changes. So once you have done that, so you can, and if you want to change your password, you click on security. So click on security, you put your current password, your new password, you confirm your password, you click on save changes. So that's just how to do it, guys. So once you have done all these things, you need to share your sponsor post. So you click on the three horizontal line again, you see sponsored ads, you click on sponsored ads. So once you click on sponsor ad, it's going to show you this section. I think there is no sponsor post for today, there's no sponsor post for this moment, but they are going to release it. So let me just quickly do something. Let me just explain it like this. Once they show you see a picture and you see the text, they will ask you to copy text, download the image, and share to WhatsApp. So you have to click on share to end. Once you click on the share to end, it's going to go directly to WhatsApp. Then you are going to share it on your WhatsApp status. Then you come back to this platform, you will see that your account will increase. So you earn your 500 naira. So that's just it. Then that's just what you need to do. Then if you want to refer your friends, you can also refer your friends. If you want to get coupon code, you can message me, get coupon code for me, then you give them your referral link. This is here to get your referral link. So this is here to get your referral link. You can see it right here, referral links. So you refer anybody, you get 2,000 naira. So that's just how it works, guys. So there's a lot of features in this platform. This is the marketplace. So you click on marketplace. Let me show you how it is. And they have not opened it yet, but there's a lot of courses that will be coming out to this Brimate, guys. So this is a big opportunity, you know what I mean? So you can just like be watching out for this place. Once they bring out the courses, I'm going to do a video about it as well. So just calm down and register on this project and start earning, guys. So that's just all. So let me show you how to withdraw. You click on withdraw. Once you click on withdraw, you have to select the withdrawal type. If you are withdrawing from affiliate or activity balance, minimum withdrawal for affiliate activity balance is 5,000. You put the money here, you click on withdraw funds, and you can also transfer your funds from your account to your downline's account. So you can use this method right here to transfer from your account to your downline's account. So it's very easy, it's a good platform. So once you have done that, you can see how to do it right here. You can read the instructions and do that. So it's very easy. So for you to get your coupon code, you can use the number showing on your screen. Message me on WhatsApp to get your coupon code. It's just 3,000 naira. So once you have done that, that will be also. Guys, do well to subscribe to this channel and turn the post notification. Also gives you a thumbs up so that you won't miss any video when we upload on this channel, guys. So and don't forget to share this platform with your friends, and so that we'll be able to end with you guys. So that will be all for this video. I'll see you in my next video. Peace.